Hull scantling rule checking is an essential process in ship design and construction, ensuring the structural integrity of the ship's hull. It involves verifying that the dimensions of structural elements like plates, stiffeners, and girders meet classification society standards and are sufficient to withstand the loads encountered during the ship's operation. Key aspects of hull scantling rule checking. 1. Purpose. Hull scantling checks ensure that the ship can resist structural stresses such as static loads, such as cargo weight, buoyancy forces. Dynamic loads, for example wave impact, slamming, and vibrations. Environmental conditions like wind and ice, depending on the ship's operational region. 2. Classification societies. Organizations like American Bureau of Shipping Eagle, Lloyd's Register, Det Norske Veritas, Bureau Veritas, and others set guidelines for scantling checks. These rules are based on empirical data, engineering principles, and operational experience. 3. Analysis methods. Direct calculations. Use theoretical models and finite element analysis to analyze stress distribution. Empirical rules. Apply formulas and tabular data provided by classification societies to determine minimum thicknesses, sectional properties, and spacing of structural components. For critical checks, plate thickness ensures the ship's skin can resist bending and buckling under pressure loads. Stiffener and girder sizing verifies that framing can support the hull plates and prevent deflection or collapse. Fatigue life evaluates repetitive stress impacts on joints and welds to prevent failure over time. 5. Outcomes ensures compliance with safety regulations. Optimizes the ship's weight and cost without compromising durability. Improves the ship's ability to handle extreme conditions. Load scenarios considered. Static loads, deadweight. Example: cargo, fuel, water, provisions store. Buoyancy forces distributed across the hull. Dynamic loads. Wave loads causing sagging and hawking stresses. Slamming loads. Bow impact on waves. Extreme conditions. Ice loads for Arctic vessels. Green water loading on deck structures. Advanced analysis. Finite element analysis. For complex structures or areas with concentrated loads, direct calculations may not be sufficient. Finite element analysis helps simulate real-life stress distributions and identify weak points. Example: analyzing the forepeak structure to evaluate stresses during wave slamming. Why scantling rule checking is important. 1. Safety prevents catastrophic structural failures at sea. 2. Efficiency balances strength with weight optimization, improving fuel efficiency. 3. Regulatory compliance ensures the ship meets international standards, enabling it to operate globally. Thanks for listening. See you at another video.